Hello, good morning. Ria here from Maisie Moo. I'm jumping on to show you how to put together the new treat bag that I will be popping in alongside the doggy poop bag holder as a set, I think. I might even list it separately too, but it's actually assembled very much like the poop bag was. So if you've seen that video, you'll know that we've used rivets and snaps and a little bit of glue. So we use some glue and just some hardware for hanging. So this is assembled pretty much the same way. So I'm going to just quickly jump straight in and get started. First of all, we want to attach our snaps. Right, so I have got these really cute paws. Got them from Cam Snaps in America. They sent me these. They are the original Cam Snaps, but you might find something similar elsewhere. Okay, so let's get attaching. We want the nice ones on the top. Here we go. Okay, so you can see we've got our cam snaps there. They've closed and there we go, open. So next we're going to move on to the rivet. I'm going to use the gold rivets. I think I should have enough there. I've got plenty. And what we will do is start by inserting our hardware. Now you can get all different types of hardware. This one here is like a crab claw one. That's quite a neat idea. I'm going to go with just the split ring, and that's got a wee attachment on it, the wee claw on it. So inserting it at this stage, I'm using the largest rivet in my set, which I think is 8mm, and then you can just snap on your, there we go. So to attach your rivets, you may have a clamp. In my case, I've just got these a little hammer set like this. So what you do is you simply pop it in here so that, there we go, you've got the base, and then there we go. So that hammers it down nice and tight, and that's going to hold that securely in place. Okay, so what we start from this little center tab here. You want to grab your rivet and pop it through the hole. You then want to take the back tab and then insert it through the hole, and then do the same with the front. Pop your cap on. Now that'll click on and hold. You don't need to tighten anything as yet. Again, you're going to be going from inside the back, then through the front there. Go, and then the last one is the top. So you want to, I've done it on this side, and then you just want to do the same on the other side. Okay, so there we go. You can see we've got all of our rivets there. Now they're quite loose because they need to be hammered. I'll go ahead and, using my tool that I have here, I'm going to hammer those. Now it might be a little bit tricky because obviously you've got the double side. So we'll start with this top one. Okay, so I've hammered all of these. Now these bottom ones were a wee bit tricky. I was finding it hard to get this, the little holder underneath. So what I did was I just used, this is just a spanner, but it was just, I inserted it inside and then hammered it using that behind it, and that seemed to work quite well. Now, as I say, if you've got a press, it probably will be much easier. But it's definitely doable. Okay, so we've got our little treat bag. Now, if you wanted to, you can go around and add a little bit of glue under here. I'm going to do that just so it reinforces it and it holds it flat. But together, I think these two make a really cute little set. So I do hope you like those. If you have any questions, let me know. And I look forward to you posting some pictures of these once you've completed them. Thanks, bye.